Thank you for watching my video. Today, I will make pork cutlet. It's called Katsudon. Katsudon is very popular in Japan. It's pork cutlet over rice with onion and eggs. It's cooked in salty and sweet broth. The broth is flavorful thanks to Dashi. It's Japanese soup stock. The combination of broth, creamy eggs, and pork cutlet is so nice. In this video, I will show you how to make it delicious. Okay, let's get started. Okay, these are ingredients. I will show the ingredients. So first, onion, and this is sliced pork. The thickness of sliced pork is about 2 to 3 centimeters. And eggs. We need salt and white pepper to season the pork. Okay, these are butter, egg, so breadcrumbs, and rice flour. You can use wheat flour. And today I will show how to make dashi, and you need kelp and bonito flakes and water. To make broth, you need soy sauce, sweet sake, and sugar. After serving, we use mitsuba, chopped mitsuba, for topping, so it will be good color. And also you need steamed rice. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start with Japanese soup stock. I will make dashi, and that is a basic dashi in Japan. It's combined soup with bonito flakes and kelp. You can use it to make various of Japanese food. It is flavorful and has a pure color and rich flavor. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this is dried kelp, and so don't rinse it in water because it has umami flavor on surfaces. So just wipe off the kelp with paper towel like this. Okay, we use dried kelp, so you need to soak in water. And leave it for 30 minutes. It helps to bring out the flavor, umami flavor of kombu. Okay, after 30 minutes, heat the water with kelp on medium heat until the water is boiling. To make a flavorful dashi, don't boil it. Boil the kelp. If you boil the kelp, the slime of kelp comes out and the taste will be bad. So please simmer it until just before the water is boiling. Okay, let's simmer to bring out the umami flavor of kelp. Okay, it's ready to remove the kombu, kelp. Okay, when it comes to a boil, skim the scum. Then turn off the heat. Okay, after that, add dried bonito flakes. And let it sink. And set for 2 minutes. Okay, strain the broth gently. So don't squeeze them because their unpleasant taste and flavor is coming out. So like sourness of bonito flakes. Okay, it's done. The broth color is so nice. Okay, I check the taste. The color is so clear and the flavor is so nice. So I check the taste. It has bonito flakes flavor, so aroma, and so it has umami flavor. It's very important not to boil the kelp for the bonito flakes, so you don't need to squeeze. The soup stock will be clear and so good aroma. Okay, so that's all. Introduce the dashi. So next step, let's prepare the ingredients for katsudon. Okay, first let the eggs return to room temperature. It's very important to make creamy egg for katsudon. Okay, cut the onion into 5mm slices. Okay, after that, put the plastic wrap on a pork. So loosen the line so it will be soft. And this part, it has fat. It takes time to cook, so it's important to flatten the fat meat of pork loin, this part, and return the shape a little. Okay, after that, season the pork with salt and white pepper. And this is mixture of soy sauce, sweet sake, and sugar. So I melt the sugar in soy sauce and sweet sake and add to the broth. So crack the eggs and beat the egg roughly, like cutting the white yolk like this. Okay, let's coat the pork with these ingredients. So put the one cutlet. So pour the oil to the pan and heat it up. And add the onion. Stir fry until translucent. And let it simmer with a lid for 1 minute. Check the taste. Okay, and make a space. So I will put the pork cutlet in the middle. Okay. And add the egg in 2 parts. First, 2/3 of mixture. Not mixture, beaten egg. And mix a little. And the eggs, when the eggs is cooked, half cooked, so add the rest of egg. それではいただきます。First, I eat pork cutlet. It's juicy and soft, and I eat the egg and onion and rice. The pork cutlet is soaked the broth. So the broth has broth has dashi, and the flavor is so nice. So rice is soaked the broth, so it's delicious. So eggs is very soft and nice. It's so delicious. I think so the broth dashi is very important. I make it from the scratch today, and we use like katsudon and simmered food and miso soup. So the flavor is so nice. So I like it. And the broth for katsudon, so it includes soy sauce, sugar and sweet sake. So it's very delicious and completely good match with pork cutlet and eggs. Japanese really like this combination. Katsudon is very popular in Japan, so please try it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and leave a comment. I want to know your thoughts. And if you don't subscribe to me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.